A kid makes 3 crore rupees selling NFTs in his summer break. This image was sold for over $69 million. Photos of cats are being sold all over the internet for thousands of dollars. Crypto is old now. NFTs are the new cool. But what's the hype all about? Why does NFT art matter? Why do people want to own art? The reason is the same as why the Mona Lisa matters or why art matters in the first place. This is my house and this is my car. People value ownership because for you it's not just an object. It's a car you learned to drive on. It's the car you went to trips with your friends on. Your emotions are attached to the objects you own. So when you buy a piece of art, you don't just buy paint on a canvas. You buy the story of the artist who made it, the story of the era it was from. You get to be a part of the story yourself. And that is why people want to own art, because they want to be a part of a story that they value. I am a tech guy and I would definitely pay a lot to see the first Macintosh PC. Come on, it started a revolution.
All of the images you are about to see on the large screen will be generated by what's in that bag.
That one machine changed everything. The iPhone, I would pay a lot to see that. The story and the experience is really valuable to me. Yet when you look at it, stories are actually nothing. They're not food to eat. They're not electricity. But stories are everything. They're how we connect with other humans. They're how we have grown as a society. And art is a story. And that's why art is valuable. So most of the art we know today is physical. But the world has changed. Today, artists don't use the brush. They create images, videos, even GIFs. So is that not art? Of course it is. Does it have a story? Yes. Is it a way how people express themselves? Yes. But is it valuable? Well, that's the problem. Till now, digital art was not valuable. On the internet, there is nothing such as fake and real. Everything can be copied. So it is very difficult to prove if you own an image or if you are the person who created that image. Imagine creating digital art that cannot be copied. That is original and comes with a certificate of authenticity. That is what NFTs are in a nutshell. A certificate that comes with your digital files proving that you own them and that they are original. There is no other copy of them on the internet that is original. Digital artists, creators, everyone would love this and they do. This is crazy because as we discussed, people value originality. People want to own something original and people value the story behind art. So when you add digital files and give them originality certificates through NFTs, it becomes a freaking amazing thing. This image, the People 5000, it is an NFT and it was sold for $69 million. Why? Because Beeple, the artist, created one digital art piece every day for 5,000 days. And this picture is a collage of the 5,000 paintings or art pieces that he did. Now, if you had followed Beeple from day one, you would have an emotional connect to this image and you would definitely pay it. Because this for you is not just pixels. This is a story of consistency. And that story, that NFT, this image got sold on the internet for over $69 million. And that is why NFT art matters.